One hack, thousands of secrets, one giant problem for Apple. Hackers claim they breached Tata Electronics and leaked confidential files tied to iPhone 18 series.
Amazing. Wow.
According to Reuters, a ransomware group known as World Leaks claims it stole more than 200,000 confidential files from Tata Electronics, totaling over 630 gigabytes of data. The leaked documents reportedly include supplier lists, internal engineering files, component information, and even photos and videos showing Apple's unreleased iPhone 18 Pro during drop testing. While Apple has not confirmed every leaked document, both Apple and Tata are investigating the breach, and Tata has already tightened internal access controls. This isn't just another product leak. Apple spends years protecting its supply chain because supplier relationships are one of its biggest competitive advantages. Knowing exactly who manufactures batteries, camera modules, chips, and circuit boards allows competitors to better understand Apple's production strategy. A breach like this raises serious questions about cybersecurity across Apple's expanding global supply chain. Around the world, manufacturers are relying on increasingly connected digital factories, cloud platforms, AI-assisted design tools, and remote collaboration. That means cyber attacks are no longer targeting only customer data. They're targeting intellectual property, engineering drawings, manufacturing processes, and entire supply chains. This reminds every manufacturer that cybersecurity isn't only an IT responsibility and makes it more important to protect engineering documents, limit privileged access, monitor abnormal behavior, and secure every supplier, not just the final product. Solutions like AnySecura transparent encryption help manufacturers protect sensitive engineering files without changing the supplier's normal workflow. Instead of relying only on perimeter security, confidential documents remain encrypted throughout their lifecycle, while authorized users can continue working normally. Sensitive files can also be automatically identified and protected against unauthorized transfer through USB drives, email, instant messaging, screenshots, copy and paste, or other common leakage channels. In addition, organizations gain detailed audit logs, automatic document watermarking with traceable information, and rapid deployment, helping manufacturers protect intellectual property while maintaining productivity. Protect innovation, protect your data, protect your business. Discover how AnySecura helps manufacturers stay secure. Like, subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video.